Hi everyone, it's time you are under Timothy. Today we would like to provide about a new Microsoft service named Agent Mode in Microsoft Excel. This is a very amazing service for Excel user. Today Eva already survey and have a presentation. I would like to get her presentation today. Okay, Eva, are you ready to start? Get
Yes,
started?
Kimoto-san.
Okay, let's begin.
Very good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Yuva and Kimoti's weekly Sunday live session where we discuss the latest AI topics. Well, today we will be talking about Microsoft Excel's new AI feature called Agent Mode. Actually, last week Kimoto-san already explained what Agent Mode is. And today I will walk you through it again in simple terms and then do a live demo using sample sales data. Okay, and we are sharing this nota as well side by side. So this one actually you could refer to this English and Japanese language script. Okay, great. So because we actually decided to go this live only in English. That's why so we are trying to use this for Japanese users. Great. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So in today's demo, we will create charts and use formulas like X lookup, V lookup, index plus match, maximum, minimum, and average. But here is the best part. Uh, we are not going to write any single formulas today. Yes. So today, no formula, no formulas and no clicks. So just I'm going to type what I want and then the Excel going to build it for me. So this part of Microsoft new concept called vibe working. So the idea is that instead of learning complicated commands and formulas, so you just describe what you want and then AI does the work. Okay, so what agent mode can do? Agent mode is like your Excel assistant. Yes, Excel assistant. You can ask things like summarize my sales data, create charts for this report, or show the highest profit margin, or even add filters for the charts. And the Excel will actually do it. So it can write formulas like X lookup, index plus match, and if build charts and even format entire dashboards. So basically all the things that used to take like 30 minutes, now you can do it in just two. And what's amazing? Ah, すいません。
No problem.
ちょっと待ってください。
I think this agent mode in Excel is very amazing. Uh, if you get this service, the about well, about message, this Excel considers divides several tasks, and Microsoft Excel executes their small tasks and organize the result and shows the Excel sheet, shows a result on Excel sheet. So this is a very very amazing, b- and if you use this service, you could get high productivity. Last month, Microsoft announced they are going to release the agent mode on Microsoft Office series, and agent mode in Excel, agent mode in Word, agent mode in PowerPoint. Today, agent mode in Excel is the most important for our job, so I decided to presented this issue today. Okay, Eva, hi there.
Okay, so sorry. It was an emergency. Okay,
Hmm.
so let's continue to this. Okay, so about this, where I was. Okay, key features. Okay,
Hmm.
so and what's amazing about this? You don't need to remember formula names. So just tell it in simple English what you want. Okay, so that's about this agent mode in Microsoft Excel, Excel Microsoft. So now let's jump into the demonstration. Okay, so first let me show you how to add the Copilot. Okay, I'm going to share this one. Okay, how to add the Copilot agent mode to your Excel. But before this, I actually tried this Excel, this one in the desktop version, but it's not supported yet. So right now, agent mode works only in Excel for the web and available in English only for the moment. And one important note, you could access to this feature if you have an enterprise Microsoft 365 Copilot license or a Microsoft 365 personal, family, or premium subscription. Okay, so that's the requirement for this. And now let's go to the Microsoft Web Excel. I'm going to share the link. So this is the link, Excel Cloud Microsoft. I'll be sharing the link in the comment. Okay, let's get started. So go to Microsoft Excel Web, and you can open here. You can open a blank sheet or any existing file. I will open a blank sheet. So, and then you have to go to this add ins tab. Could you see this icon, add ins? And then click, get, click here, and then we are going to type agent mode in the search bar. Okay, let me search for it. Okay, I have already add in this one. Okay, if it doesn't appear, so you can click more add-ins. Could you see this option down here? More add-ins. So not this one. We have to look for Excel Labs. So it's not here. I'm going to click the more add-ins and then going to search again, agent mode. And then you could see this Excel Labs Microsoft Garage project. And then just click add, continue. So once it's added, it will open a panel with several options. Okay, so here we will select the agent mode from that. Okay. Okay, so now the agent mode part, it is ready. I'm going to paste my table, a sample data that I have prepared. This data actually a simple biscuit sales data sheet. So here's the same table I will use for today's demonstration. Okay, so now after I paste my table, I'm going to select my table and then insert it as a proper Excel table. So go to insert and then click table, and then I'm going to click OK. Okay, so it's done. And then we can start to ask the agent mode. Very easy. So from this sales data, I would like to ask the agent mode to create charts for this data. Okay. So this one will take around 2 minutes to process. A bit slow, but worth waiting actually. So it is setting up. So it will create everything automatically. Okay, so everything was created. Okay, so where it is, could you see the dashboard tab? Yes, so it has created, automatically creates a dashboard tab with multiple charts. Pretty amazing, right? Set, yes, automatically it's done. So previously, I actually worked at logistic company. So I worked with this kind of data before, but I have to create everything manually. But now it's so easy using this agent mode. Okay, so it's pretty amazing. Yes, so as I mentioned before, we had to build everything manually. So now with just one request, I get 4 charts at once. So now I can even say add filters to the dashboard. So I'm going to ask this to add filters. Okay, let's see. Okay, it is creating. Okay, so whatever you ask, it listens and then it builds. It's done. Could you see? Here it has created a filter for month and region because I didn't specify the filter, so it has chosen the month and the region. Great. Okay, so the charts part, it is done. It could able to analyze our data and then come up with this kind of charts. And how about formulas? So I would like to test the formulas today. Let's check if it is handle if it can handle formulas too. So let's start with okay. I'm going to start with this part. Okay, how about we ask for highest profit margin? Okay, so I'm going to ask this. Could you see this? I have already typed. Show me which biscuit has the highest profile margin. Okay, highest profile margin. So it has to use the formula max, right? Equals max. Yes, so here I got this highest profit margin biscuit is Choco Delight, and then it already has added this as a profit margin here. Could you see this? It has added one column for that. And also created on dashboard here, highest profit margin. I have this detail here on the top. So cool. Okay, so we have this highest profit margin. So now I would like to ask this for the lowest profit margin. So now it has to use the minimum function. Okay, let's ask for it. Okay, so find the biscuit with the lowest profit margin. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so lowest profit margin is the honey biscuit. It has scanned this table, this column actually. So profit margin, and then from here it got this, the honey oats biscuit, the honey oats. Okay, so easy. We could get everything without key in any formulas inside this Excel file. Okay, next, how about the average? So average is very important, right, for any profit margin. So I would like to calculate the average profit margin of all the biscuits. Okay, so now it has to use the average function. Let's see, could it able to handle it? Yes, so it has created a cell for me on the dashboard. Okay, so dashboard, and then could you able to see this average profit margin here? It has created this. Okay, so cool. So now we have done maximum, minimum, and then the average functions, right? How about VLOOKUP? Yes, so VLOOKUP might be tricky. So I would like to show you that VLOOKUP part here. I'm going to ask this, show me the profit of the Choco Delight. The product name is Choco Delight using VLOOKUP. Okay, so this VLOOKUP actually, it looks down a list and then it gets data from the right side. So for example, now I have selected my product. So it looks up the biscuit name and then returns its profit. Okay. When I was working at a logistics company, I was using Access every day. But now it's much easier. Okay, so I got this VLOOKUP because last time I used to remember VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, all these formulas I need to remember because I have to use that in my daily work. Okay, and also it has added the Choco Delight profile VLOOKUP at the dashboard. So it has done the calculations here. Okay, next, how about X lookup. So we have VLOOKUP, X lookup, so many things. Okay, so this one X lookup, the difference between VLOOKUP, X lookup actually it searches everywhere, anywhere in the table and returns the region. So for example, now any specific thing. For example, now I would like to ask this: find the region of butter crunch biscuit using X lookup. Okay, let's see how it works. X lookup, so region for butter crunch by X lookup, so it found Penang, so it is a region in Malaysia. You see, it also has added the details in my dashboard. So cool. And the last one, index plus match. Okay, so I would like to get the revenue for this particular product name, almond crunch biscuit, using index and match. So index and match, this one actually it tried to find the row and row position, and then it returns the correct value. So just like a pro Excel user, so let's try this. Okay, so could you see this? So index match, and also it has added on this on my dashboard. So almond crunch revenue index. So that's the profit of this product. Wow. So as you can see, agent mode actually can build dashboards, insert formulas, and look up data and even analyze results for you. So there is no formulas. There are no formulas, no clicks, just type what you want. So it's like having a personal Excel assistant that actually understands you. Okay, so why it matters? Let's check why it matters. Okay, so this one, agent mode, actually it brings pro level Excel to everyone. So for example, small business, they actually they could generate a quick monthly report. And for students, they could easily analyze their grades. And for the trainers, make they could create automate templates. So it is so easy for everyone. And that's all from my side today. That's all about this Microsoft Excel agent mode that I wanted to share with you today. And Kimoto-san, have you tried this feature yet? And what's
Yes,
your impression about this?
I already use this service.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Great.
And I have a question to you.
Mm-hmm, please.
Eva, you don't have you have a Microsoft Office license, but you don't have
Yes.
a Microsoft Copilot license. Is it right? Copilot license.
I think Copilot license, I think it is included. I only have that Microsoft uh, Office license
Okay.
subscription.
So Eva has Eva is having the Microsoft Office license, but a
Yes.
Copilot license. But
Mm-hmm.
Eva could use agent model in Microsoft Excel
Yep.
because this service is provided by plugin add-in.
Mm-hmm.
Add-in
Yes.
is not add-in not necessarily the Copilot license. So
Yes. I think
every
so. Yes.
every office user could use this agent model in Excel.
Mm-hmm.
This is very happy for us.
Yes. So we
Hmm.
just need that Microsoft Excel and then we could able to use this agent mode inside the Excel. Yes. Okay,
Oh,
great.
okay, Yuba, thank you
So
for your presentation today.
thank you, and that's all from our side today. Thank you so much,
Mm. Everyone,
and
see
thank
you
you.
next week.
Hi, and thank you for joining us. And see you again next Sunday with another
Mm.
interesting AI topic. Thank you. Bye bye.
See you. Bye.